In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Quo to HubSpot. By the end, you'll have Quo installed from the HubSpot app marketplace and your Quo account set up, so the two tools can start working together. Start in your HubSpot portal on the home screen. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that you have permissions to install apps. From the top navigation, open the marketplace and choose the HubSpot app marketplace. This is where you can safely find and install verified integrations. Once you're in the marketplace, go to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Quo, then select the Quo listing. Quo is a tool that connects with HubSpot to streamline your workflow, keeping information in sync so your team can work more efficiently without switching tabs or copying data. On the listing page, review the overview and permissions if you'd like, then click Install to begin. You'll be redirected to Quo. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign up for free. If you already have one, simply log in and skip ahead. In this example, we'll sign up with Google. Choose Sign up with Google, then pick the Google account you want to associate with Quo. Make sure it's the one your team uses for work to keep things organized. During onboarding, select For Business in this example. For Business is designed for team use, shared workflows, and collaboration, while For Personal use is best for individual, lightweight needs. Next, enter your business name. Then, for business size, select 2 to 5 in this example. If your team is a different size, choose the option that fits you. For who will use Quo, pick Just Me in this walkthrough. You can invite teammates later if needed. Click Continue to proceed. You'll be asked to verify your mobile number. Enter your number carefully, including the correct country code, and make sure your country is supported by Quo before registering. This verification step helps secure your account and ensures you can recover access if needed. When you're ready, click Get Code. Enter the verification code you receive and continue following the on-screen prompts to finish connecting Quo and HubSpot. If you see an authorization screen, review the requested permissions, confirm you're connecting the right HubSpot account, and approve to complete the installation. That's it. Quo is now connected to HubSpot. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to subscribe for more.